Good morning everyone. So in this video I will explain chapter number 4 word processor tabular presentation. So in this video I will explain what is Microsoft Word, features of Microsoft Word and 3 ways of creating a table in Microsoft Word. First point is Microsoft Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft company. So this is one of the most popular word processor which is used for creating documents. It allows us to create documents that contain text and graphics. So using Microsoft Word we can create various types of documents like reports, letters and newsletters, and we can add text and graphics. Graphics means we can also add pictures, tables and charts in our documents. Third point is using MS Word we can apply borders, shading, margins and various formatting features in document. So MS Word provide various formatting features to make our documents interesting and appealing. So we can apply borders, shading, margins and other formatting features to our documents. Next is the features of Microsoft Word. First feature is autocorrect. Second feature is auto format. Third feature is tables. Next one is macro. Next feature is mail merge. And the last feature is tracking changes. So now we will discuss these all features in detail. So next we will discuss the features of MS Word. First one is autocorrect. If we type wrong spelling, autocorrect feature automatically changes it to the correct spelling. This feature in MS Word is used to correct the spelling mistakes. So by mistake if we will type the wrong spelling, then this feature of MS Word will automatically changes the wrong spellings to correct spellings. Next feature is auto format. When we type, auto format feature automatically applies formatting. So this is a feature of MS Word which automatically applies formatting when we are typing the data in a document. Third feature is tables. We can also create tables in MS Word. So basically table is a way of organizing or storing the information or data in the form of rows and columns. So we can also create tables in MS Word. Next feature is mail merge. We can also send personalized letter to large number of people using mail merge. So this feature is useful if we want to send the same letter, same document to large number of people. So mail merge feature in that case help us to save our time. Next feature is a macro. It saves our time by combining series of actions under single command. So suppose if we want to perform 2 or more actions again and again in a document, then we can save these actions under the single command and then we can execute them with the single click. So this feature helps us to save our time. Next last feature is tracking changes. If multiple person work on same document, we can track changes made by other persons in a document. So this feature is used to trace the changes we make in a document. Suppose if multiple persons are working on the same document, then by using this feature we can trace or we can track the changes made by other persons in a document. So next is a table. This is the main topic of this chapter. Table is a way of storing information into the rows and columns. The boxes in the table are known as cells. So basically the tables is a way of organizing or storing the information in the format of rows and columns, and horizontal lines represent rows and vertical lines represent columns. So we can store the information in the form of table. The boxes in the table are known as cells. Next is 3 ways to create table in MS Word. So, first way is by using table option from the insert tab, we can create or insert table in document. Second method is by using quick table option from preset table, we can insert table. And the last method is by using draw table option, we can draw the table in MS Word documents. So in the next video, we will discuss all the practical topics of this chapter.